So one of the reasons here, we want you guys to grow with us and help us on this journey to be an honest and genuine building company.
I've been able to get a lot of experience around how our contractors are working, not just on their jobs, but also their understanding of their work health and safety obligations as part of the work that they're doing. We tell people all the time, if you feel unsafe in the conditions or the job that you're on, something's changed, stop. There's no obligation to keep working. Let us know something's changed, and then we can reassess that and what that looks like.
If there are multiple trades that need to be organised, a call to us, we can then manage that through our processes and staff, and then it's an extension out to the remote regions as well.
Joel and I go back, probably 20 years in the fire industry. One of the very, very good things they're good at is organisation for remote work.
So we've been working with RAM for going on 2 years now. I know that they take a lot of pride in the people that they hire, the people that they work with. Joel will bend over backwards to look after you and make sure the job is on time and on budget and everyone's happy, including the end users, clients, and all of the subcontractors that are delivering work for him.
What really resonated with me from today was the openness. It's good to be a part of that, knowing what's going on.
We've currently been working with RAM for just under 6 months now. So everything's a smooth process working with them, right down to the operations on site, to the admin team, and everything operates in general. It's just that professionalism.
I've worked for RAM for 4.5 years and it's been a truly wonderful experience. They are a family operated business. They invite all us in to be a part of that. There's no hierarchy, everybody is treated evenly, we're all valued. There's a great level of respect, which is such a positive, enriching place to work.
There's people I've worked with in here for sort of 10 years. I want to continue to make sure that we all grow together and be successful in what we do and deliver what we say we're going to deliver.
If you've got a problem, you talk to Joel.